Hey, VisionAutoworks here with a Tahoe or Suburban headlight build. Typically, these are built on brand new OE style headlights. I believe there are some other styles as well. If you are interested in having a different headlight style, we are definitely able to accommodate, just given what's out there. But done a lot of builds for these vehicles, and primarily we've used the same OE style headlight here shown. So the factory system is H11 halogen. Not really great performance, so most of our customers come in for a projector conversion, and we try and keep it looking fairly OEM. So this customer went with the Morimoto Mini H1 8.0 by Xenon projectors. This is a true HID system and conversion, which will put down way more light versus the factory reflector bowl situation. The shrouds we use here are the E46R extended. These are basically a nice option along with the iris shrouds. Both of these shrouds work the best in these headlights. So we can use other shrouds, but these are normally the ones we gravitate to. Just due to the projector placement and the shape of the bowl itself, we find that the E46 style shrouds and the iris shroud fits the best for these Tahoe Suburban lights of this generation. They do require a little bit of trimming, but we get that cut pretty close to cover as much of the reflector bowl as possible, and makes for a really nice, clean OEM Plus look, which is what we like. We're going to cut the HIDs on here. We just have this hooked up to a test ballast and test bulb for demo purposes. Our headlight packages do come with Morimoto HID kits as default, and your choice of bulbs between around 4,000 to 6,000 K options there for you. So this is like a test ballast just for demo purposes that we use here in the booth, and you'll notice the warm-up time is quite slow, and these bulbs are actually quite blue, but again, just demonstration purposes. The Morimoto HID kits or the bulbs themselves cap out at around 6,000 K, so it's not going to look this crazy blue. Typically, you just don't want to go above 6,000 K in terms of Kelvin. Most people should know this already if they've read through our website. Higher Kelvin does not equal higher light output. So your 8,000, 10,000, 12,000 K bulbs, they're putting less light out comparatively to, like, say, a 5,000 K bulb. These headlights are pretty nice. They're Eagle Eyes brand. It's typically the brands we use, Eagle Eyes or Depot, for OE replica headlights. Quality is great. We do offer lens protection in forms of ceramic coating and PPF or clear film if you want to, kind of protect the lenses if the car is, usually parked outside or sees a lot of sunlight. These aftermarket headlights, they do have a little bit lower quality clear coating than the OEM counterpart, but typically the cost savings over a brand new OEM set, it makes more sense here. And these lights also come with all the original halogen or filament bulbs, so it's kind of nice. We've pre-installed them. So basically this setup, you don't have to swap any bulbs over. You get everything ready to go out of the box. The HID kit is for the most part all plug and play with the HD relay harness, and we do provide wiring diagrams on how to wire that up. So about an hour, maybe 2 hours max install, taken on a weekend, and you'll have some really bright lights and upgraded lighting performance. They'll definitely make you happy when you see them on the road. So we have a package like this on our website, VisionAutoworks.com. You can order one, spec it out. There's other modifications that you can add to a package like this. Just in the past, most of our Tahoe Suburban customers just try to go with the OEM Plus setup. Most of these cars are just road-driven vehicles, but we can, add stuff like halos. We've done that in the past. Demonize, stuff like that, cosmetic stuff. If you have any other questions, you can reach us by phone, 469-440-9449, or email cs@visionautoworks.com. Thanks.